Hi everybody, it's CJ. Today I'm working on this 24 by 30 inch canvas, and I'm going to do a continuous ribbon pour where I start here in the corner and work my way back and forth all the way down the canvas until it's almost covered, and then I begin to tilt. So let me make my bucket. I'm going to start by adding this white. It's house paint from Walmart called Color Place. Then I'm going to put in some of this pink raspberry, also by Color Place. I'm just making a dirty cup. This is a self-mixed gray, varying amounts of black and white from Color Place. I have 14 karat gold from Folk Art. Onyx from Color Place. A lighter gray, made the same way as the other one. Put a little bit more pink raspberry, gray, and a lot of white. And here goes. Pretty. I'm sorry at times you can't see this. The canvas is just too large to be moving back and forth, so I'm going to have to deal with it. There. Very pretty. So happy with that. I hope you were able to see that. Okay, good deal. That's it for today. I hope you'll leave any questions you have in the comments section. You'll find my website and my Facebook page in the description box. And I will see you next time. Bye.